Tucked away in a quiet corner of the world, this Mediterranean-style home whispers serenity through every sun-warmed surface and graceful curve. Its sun-kissed, stucco walls in soft cream and sandy beige hues reflect the golden afternoon light, while terracotta roof tiles add an old-world charm that feels both nostalgic and timeless. The arched doorways and windows are framed in weathered wood, giving the house an earthy elegance. Wrought iron lanterns and balconies with intricate scrollwork enhance its romantic appeal, reminiscent of coastal villas tucked along the shores of southern Europe. Step into the garden, and you're greeted by a peaceful tropical oasis. A winding stone pathway meanders through lush greenery, banana palms, fragrant jasmine, and ferns swaying gently in the breeze. Delicate bougainvillea drapes over a pergola in bursts of magenta, while potted lemon trees and terracotta planters filled with lavender and herbs line the walkway, releasing gentle aromas into the air. A small, circular fountain at the center gurgles softly, its water glinting in the sunlight as butterflies dance around it. In one corner, a shaded seating area invites quiet moments, with rustic wooden benches and colorful cushions surrounded by natural textures, woven rugs, clay pots, and hanging lanterns that flicker at dusk. The garden blurs the line between indoors and out, with glass doors opening from the home into the green sanctuary, allowing the scent of flowers and the sound of birdsong to flow inside. This peaceful escape combines the warmth of Mediterranean architecture with the lush vibrancy of the tropics, creating a space that feels like a secret paradise, a place where time slows down, and beauty lives in every little detail.